Okay, Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. So this is going to be our fourth family. Then the fourth family, fourth family looks just like the number 4. You see, how you write 4 in English. But you know what? This fourth family is not just a regular 4. It's a super fancy 4 that's dressed up. So let's see, like a fancy curvy, you just curve it like that, and then you go up, and that's how the 4 looks like. And this first one, and so I'm going to call this fourth family Puppa family, because our first letter Puppa is going to look just like this. So I'm going to call it the Puppa family, or you can call it the 4 family. Okay, and the 4 main ones. So the first one is Puppa, which makes the P sound, and this Puppa looks like how the fancy 4 I did. And it doesn't have any hat. So there are 4 of them. The first one is Puppa. The first one doesn't have any hat. Okay, so this Puppa, let's write it again. Puppa, okay? All right. Now the second one, I start off with just like the 4. And I'm not going to put any hat same way. I'm just going to put a nice pair of glasses right here. You see this one? And if you want, you can draw like a pair of glasses. Well, it's kind of hard to see, but there's glasses here. But it's like this. So let's write again. So you start this way, and then I put the glasses, but no hat. So this one is Kaka. Say that again. Kaka. Say it after me. Kaka. So it's not a regular K sound like how we did Kaka before. This is Kaka. What is it? Kaka. Good. Let's do the next one. The next one is going to be, so what I start the same way. I start my fancy 4 like the Puppa I had here. And then, now this one, I'm actually going to put the whole hat, and I'm going to put the glasses also. Okay, now this one is called Tata. So English, like thumb, but English tha sound is like Punjabi tha sound is a proper tha sound. Like you really have to, like you put your when you're making the tha sound, your tongue is just at the tip of your, like your teeth is just at the tip of your tongue. So making the tha, maybe a little bit even higher than the tip. But English thumb is like a slight, it's halfway that th sound. Okay? So, tha, what is it? Tha. Say that again. Tha. So, it's not like that. It's not like that. Or thumb. Or what else? But it's not exactly the same sound as the English. So, it has a hat and the glasses. Practice a few of these. And, okay, moving on to the next one. So, this was a Tata, Puppa, Kaka, Tata. Now the next one, the sound is not really in English. So the next one out of all these combinations, you see how Puppa, no hat, no glasses, Kaka, no glasses, glasses only, hat, no hat. The Tata had the hat and the glasses, and this one only has the hat. And this one, so it's tada. What is it? Tada. Tada. So this, let's just write again. I'm going to do my fancy 4, and then I put the hat over it. Tada. Some people, if you're not native Punjabi, then you might, some people say it like dada, but so the sound is tada, like taram, tarti. Tan means money. Ooh, we didn't even do our words for all of the other ones. So papa, give me words. These are super easy. So I think of these 4 like the 4 clowns. So these clowns like to give things, and most of them give food. So let's see, the papa, for example, let's go through papa. Papa is, let's see, popcorn, pizza, what else? Peanuts, what else? Starts with P. Okay, the next one, so you come up with other words, food words that start with the P or P sound. Okay, next one, kaka. Ooh, I know. This is, since it's really not really English sound, but it's just a unique to Indian languages or Punjabi. So kaka is, let's see, kharbuja. So like this clown loves to give kharbuja. This clown likes to give khajur. You know khajur? It's like dates. These are like sweet dried fruit. So that's that. And there were a few other ones I was thinking of. See if you can come up with some more. And this one is tata. Ooh, this clown is actually not a nice clown. The tata clown is not nice at all. You know what it does? It gives thappar. You know what thappar means? Thappar is like slap. So it's really not a nice clown, but it does like to give thappar. So this one doesn't like to give food. But other words that begin with tata or thali. Maybe this clown has a thali and brings a thali for the food. Or thal, like in gurdwaras, they have the food in the steel plates, and those are called thali or thal. Okay, and this one, tada, the tada, this one right here is, so it likes to give money. So this like tan means like tada, nanna, tan is money. Okay, so let's write some words. Starting from here. Ooh, before we write words, I wanted to actually include one more because it's very, very important, and it very looks similar. Even though it doesn't follow the same 4 pattern, it the fancy 4 or the papa pattern, it looks very similar. And I'm going to write that one with, let's do this with this purple or the pink one. Okay, so this one, see how it's actually a backward B. It's a backward B, and I put the hat on the top, the hat right here. Okay, and you know what letter it is? It's actually the B sound. So it's exactly, because it looks like tata, very close to tata. See this tata? They look very similar, but it's actually exactly like backward B. So you do this, your hat, your line, and then you do your backward B, baba. And it goes all the way. See, tata has this extra part, but this one doesn't have the extra part, extra bottom. It goes at just exactly like B, but backward B. Okay, so you know this letter, baba. Okay, so let's do some words. Let's go back to our purple. Okay, so the first word I want you to write par. Par, like par has 2 meanings. Par means wing. So go ahead and pause the video, try it on your own, and you should know the letters from other families already. So go ahead and write it, and then we'll come back to it. Okay, so you should have papa, and then r, rara, par, and then the middle sound is a. So I just connect my hats, par. So par means like wings, and then it also means like but, like I had 5 cookies, but I lost some of them, or they fell on the floor. So that's like, okay. But what else? Let's see. Actually, we can write the next one, khar. Khar also has 2 meanings. Khar. Khar, and then ra, khar, same thing. So the rhyming words. So khar, just so it shines, but it's part of kharbuja. We don't really know how to write buja yet. We will be learning that soon. So that's your khar. And then what about we know we can write something that how about hat? I need you to write hat. Go ahead and pause and try it on your own. So you should have ha, and then tata. How do you write tata? It has the hat, and I write my fancy 4, and the glasses are connected because the middle sound is hat. So hat. Anything else? And then how about the word rak? Hat, rak. We got hat and then rak. Go ahead and write on your own. Ra and then k. Rak. Okay? And then in Punjabi, when you're in Indian languages, you will notice this is a sentence, hat, rak. So I put this line, and this line means like a period in English. So when you put, in English sentence, you put a period, like a dot at the end of your sentence. So in Punjabi, this is what period means. This line right here, it means like the period. Okay? That didn't have enough space to write there. Okay, what else? Let's see, I think let's see. We could write other words. Let's see. Can you think of any other words? We could write bus, like the school bus. So go ahead and pause and write it. Ba, and then bus. Okay. I'll try to put bus. Can you write bus car? Bus car, like stop it please, like bus and then car. So bus actually has 2 meaning, like the school bus, and then bus means to stop. Bus and then car, bus car, and then 0 period. Bus car. Can you do hat? Can you write a sentence, hat par rak, or put par means like dur, like put it far away. Hat par rak. Go ahead, write that sentence. Hat. There's my tata, ha, put together. Hat par rak. My kaka, no hat. I join the lines together. There's my sentence. And then how about, you should be able to write hat far. Can you write hat far? Ha. There's my tata, hat. Do you remember fa? Fa. And then r. Remember ra? This is from our 3 family. And the fa is from our tummy family. Hat far. There's like, you hold my hand, or hat far. Can you write fal cut? This should be a review of all these fal. You don't know how to write lala yet, but you know what? Actually, I want to teach you lala. You know why? Because that's part of our tummy family. So I'm actually going to show you lala right now, because that is very, very important letter. Let's do it like this. Okay, I am actually going to show you lala, because Okay, so remember the tummy family? So remember Nana? So remember Nana was like this way. There's your N. But the Lalla is like, instead of the line, it's actually a triangle. And then you put, so this, let me show you the triangle again. So you do the triangle instead of the line. So this part is the one that's changing. And then you put the two on the sides. Do you see how I did it? So this is my L. So can you write, what were we saying? Falkat. So now you should be able to write Lalla. So let's go back here. Fal. There's my fal. And then cut. Fal cut. Try to do it fal cut. That should be good. Go ahead and go through the letters again. So we did the Puppa family, the 4 clowns. We did the Baba, which looks very similar to the 4 clowns. And then I showed you how to do Lalla because you already knew how to write Nana, so it was just an add-on. Okay? Practice these letters and then have someone test you on all the letters that you've been doing every week. Have someone test you before you learn the new family, okay? And then practice reading and find anything you have around your house for reading. And if you find any of the letters, give yourself a point. Try to do Sikhi to the max. And then this would be a good time to download an app, the Punjabi Letters app, anything free you can find. And then see if you can find these letters and the new ones. This would be a good time to just getting used to the other ones that we haven't learned yet. All right, good job. Thank you. Let's see, I'm going to stop this.